भारत के हानगी प्रेसिडेंट ओरंबदा नतना ओजा अमसु ओरमलबा डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन की मपोक नुमित सेप्टेम्बर 5 बु टीचर्स डे हाइना थौरम चही खुदिंगी पांगथोक्तुना लाकपगुम ngasisu lenga ki department of education sinduna state level ki thakta teachers day ki thauram pangthokkhre Manipur state film development society ki holda pangthokkiba thauram aduda education minister Thongnauzam Bashanta Kumar education s ki commissioner H Gyan Prakash IS university and higher education ki director Dr. Rangitavali Waikhom, Manipur University के Vice Chancellor Paunam Gunindro Amadi, Education S के Director L Nandakumar na thauram mapu oina saruk yakhi. Thauram aduga mari lainana laikhidraba Dr. S Radhakrishnan ki photo da laishu katuna ikai khumna bu utki. Tamfasna Girls Higher Secondary School ke mahairoi singna state asigi isai ama oriba sana laibak Manipur saktuna thauram adu hodokhi. Thauram adu ki sarugamo ina chahi asigi oina National Teachers Awards khangat pada yauraklaba Jingmai Upper Primary School ki primary teacher Kaibulam Jaumayai Lekai dagi Ningombam Bizoi amadi State Teachers Award fanglaba Ozamari ki mafamda selgi mana piduna ikai khumna butki. Masida natana chahi asigi oina State asigi College Award fanglaba College manga dasu mana mathum piduna pukning thogatki. Council of Higher Secondary na lauba COSEM examination da chahi asigi lenga ki afaba mahiroi puthokpagidama TZ Higher Secondary School amadi CC Higher Secondary School anibusu selgi mana piduna pukning thogatki. Thauram aduga mari lainana Minister TH Basanta Kumar na phongdokhibada leibak ama chokhatpa matamda mahairoi singgi achoba thodang sing yamna maru oi masi pumna makhoi bu lamjing gadoriba asi oza sing asinani oza haiba asi lairik khaktamak takpa dunate masi magna oja sing bu ahum suba parents haina miyamna launari bani mahairoi singgi laisang ama oriba mahailoi sang asisu chokhatpa haibasisu tangai fade maram asina lamdam asida lairiba school sing malem gi thakta pukhatna ba hotnaragani haiduna education gi lamda lairiba singna ama toina kathokpada loinana hotnaminaba changi haina so phongdokhi.
The role of teachers and students are going to be very critical in this. And while the people of Manipur can take pride in the export of our culture, talent, because we have all globally renowned, artists and all that, sports persons, we must open ourselves also to socio-cultural introspection and acquire a healthy appreciation of other cultures. There is much to learn from other cultures too. We have no culture that we learn to. For example, if you look at Japan, for instance, I appreciate the way I say public cleanliness and politeness. Environment environments clean. From Japan we can learn that. Switzerland democratic devolution of power. Each individual is empowered and know how to exercise their democratic rights. England cultural cosmopolitanism. Haibadi culture se mayam se laga exist that we can learn from England. Good things we should learn from other people, other cultures.